Hi guys, we are this premium Airbnb apartment which is pretty budget friendly as well, and it's really comfortable and cozy. This is like a storage come walk-in wardrobe. Okay, yeah, the lights come on. It's a sensor based. This is a basic queen size bed. Look at the detailing, guys. It's just stunning. Washroom. It's a word search. This is the shower area. This is the basic wash basin area and the toilet. And the main highlight of this is a terrace apartment. So now I'm taking you to the terrace. This is an extra washroom. This is how you enter. And guys, look at this. I mean, you don't even need to go anywhere. You just can just spend all your time here. It is just amazing. How peaceful is this? And this apartment is just literally 5 minutes from the beach. I mean, just look at it. Just look at the detailing, guys. You can also do your barbecues here if you have a big group. This is a 1 BHK. They have a 1 BHK as well as a 2 BHK. They have some funny things happening here. It's too cool, yeah. It's just too cool. And then you can also come up. This is also a part of your apartment. And you can just chill here. It's like a cabana. It's just amazing, yeah. We don't even feel like leaving. This is a stand for drying your clothes. Guys, this is the property. It's just a premium Airbnb. Look at the detailing. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure every architect and interior guy would appreciate this. Every artifact has a thought to it, I'm sure, and the way they've made it. This is just a basic seating area. We have this very sweet lady who sells vegetables and some accessories here. So when we come here, we always support her. She's really sweet, and she has a story to tell as well. This is the pool area. I'll just take you there. We will not shoot much. There are people swimming, but yeah, this is what it is. There's a Buddha here as well. It's just amazing. This is the reception area. Stuff here. There's a library and also games to play, like Scrabble. Look at all this. It's just fun. I mean, it's just a fun place. Guys. There's literally a dustbin in every corner. You can't be littering this place. Look at this. The rock star. It's a very comfortable property. We just love our stay here. And this is where our apartment was. When you climb up and you reach what I showed you earlier in the video. Look at the rosary area. Swimming pool area. This is how you go. There are about 10 to 11 rooms here. And they have 1 BHK and 2 BHKs. So guys, if you're looking for a premium, budget-friendly stay, an Airbnb property in North Goa, Candolim, I think you should definitely try this spot. We've never been disappointed. We just love it. Even the owner is very accommodating. He's really nice and sweet, very friendly. That's a pretty butterfly. And this is the place. It's called Bruno, Sanfrancisco. It's in Candolim. It's very close to the beach. This is the lane going to the beach. The next lane goes to the beach. It's just opposite this Alien's Beauty Care and Wellness. That's where it is. And there's another hotel called the Mandarin here. So it's just opposite that. You must visit this. It's an Airbnb property. You can check it out on Airbnb. Bye guys.